Well, hello guys, welcome to another video. As the title suggests, in this video we're going to be going through all of the things that I keep in my car and hopefully pass a little bit of kind of my information to you guys, and maybe you guys will practice the same kind of stuff, because you know some of the stuff you may need and find helpful and useful down the road. But anyway, as you guys see right here, very sad. We had a little bit of a situation today with a very nice police officer, and oh, he said that I need one of these in New Hampshire, so you guys know what that means. We're gonna have it on for a little bit, and maybe if I change my mind, I'll take it off again, because I don't like it. Doesn't look good. Look at it. Do you guys see how far this sticks out? Now, I could remedy this with a different tow hook mount. It's just gonna be what's on the car for a little bit, and I'm not so pleased about that. But anyway, let's get on with what's in the car, and I'll give you guys kind of a POV idea of everything that is inside of this vehicle. We're gonna start here. We just have some change there. I usually don't have much in here. When I drive, I put my phone, or what I can do is, one thing that's really handy if you guys have the Plus iPhones or some of the bigger iPhones, is I can just put that there, and that'll kind of be my navigation when I drive. So that's where my phone goes typically when I'm driving. And we have the screen there. Everything I keep in here, it's just, I'm not gonna open it because it just has all my information on there. You guys don't need to know that. It's just my title and everything and registration. Everything else, we have a Dunks card right there. This is my charger. I cannot forget to take this out of the car because I keep forgetting it and I need it for school. But we have a charger here. Everything in here, just some extra GoPro mounts for filming and stuff. And we have a cheeky Porsche card, because you guys all know my next car is going to be a Porsche GT3, which is absolutely incorrect. It will not be that. Much needed chapstick, because if you guys know, I'm from a very cold area. It gets pretty dry and you get some chapped lips. So yes, but anyway, that's kind of everything in my driving area, I guess you could say. Kind of right to the back of the car, and I'll show you guys everything there. All right, so I did turn the car off just because I don't want to die back here, because if you guys are familiar with GTIs, pretty much all cars with high flow exhausts, they get very, very smelly. So we'll pop the hatch, and all right, so everything you guys see in front of you, this was on my front license plate. I had to rip it off, and of course this is all the stuff to install the front license plate. So today I was very busy. We'll pop this and show you guys everything back here, because this is kind of my favorite place, or kind of the most useful spot to hold stuff, in my opinion, for the car, because this car does have different levels. I'm on the top level, and if I was on the bottom level, I wouldn't be able to put all this stuff down here. But to start us off, we have a extra battery kit. So surprisingly, this thing has enough charge to be able to jump start the car if the car ever has a dead battery, given if the battery's still, of course, good. So that can jumpstart the car. It also can charge an iPhone, whatever kind of phone or whatever. So that's really, really useful. I definitely recommend having one of these in the car, especially if it comes with a case, because if you guys know batteries, they do tend to leak. So this case will kind of prevent that from kind of spreading. So of course, you guys obviously know jumper cables are great to have in the car for a dead battery. Of course, if this doesn't work, then I can always tend to those, or if I have a friend who has a dead battery, I can help them. In this backpack, I keep all my microfiber towels. I don't have many in here right now just because they're all at home. They're getting washed, but for the most part, this is really useful for some last-minute car show cleans. It's really, really nice having some microfiber towels in the car, just so I can just wipe down if I have any really light blemishes. Anything big, I'll just go to a car wash for. And so last but not least, this is a really important thing to me, because it's actually been useful twice now, and it's a tire pump. And this tire pump, this can also fix a flat and can blow up my tires. And I've had actually some pressure loss in one tire, and it's actually, he's right there. And this guy gives me the most issue, and it's so annoying. And I'd love to get it looked at to see if I have a bent wheel, but I haven't had any issue in a couple months, so we like that. Also, we have Amanda in the car. She's right there. I forgot to mention her. But anyway, so that is pretty much that. That's pretty much all the stuff I leave in my car. Sorry for this weird location. I kind of just found a random pull off, and I'm at this weird storage unit place. So Anyway, so this is pretty much all the stuff I keep in my car. Aside from just general, this is kind of my most important stuff. We have tire shine right there. That was also in some cooperation with that towel for the whole car this past evening. And I have my camera, my DSLR right back there, and it's just super helpful having that thing in the car because I always forget it, so I just leave it in here now, so I never forget it. But yeah, that's pretty much that. That's all the stuff that I have in the car. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I'd like to know what you guys keep in your car, because it's always nice to have tools and anything that can help you if you have a small issue on the road. As you guys know, these comes mostly, pretty much all of them come with spare tires. And one thing I don't think I mentioned is if you guys aren't familiar with the SE or the Autobahn or the sound package, you can get a subwoofer. And actually mine's not even plugged in. Go figure. So it's the Fender subwoofer. It might just be a general subwoofer, but it says Fender on it because it's part of the Fender audio system that comes with the car, because this is an SE trim, and it's a great subwoofer. I can't imagine anything more powerful. There certainly are better subwoofers out there, but for me this is kind of takes the cake for me, so I really like this. But anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was you know, something a little interesting. I know it's not the most interesting video. I'm not driving it hard. I'm not doing burnouts. I'm not popping. But, you know, I like to change the pace a little bit and have some cool collabs planned out in the future. And I've actually done a couple collabs already with some fellow YouTubers from New Hampshire. So that's actually really, really cool. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.